Imagine a creature that can live forever. Meet the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. This fascinating little being has a remarkable trick up its sleeve. When faced with injury, starvation, or even the relentless march of aging, it can revert its cells to an earlier stage of development. This incredible process, known as transdifferentiation, allows it to essentially hit the reset button on its life cycle. While it's not invincible, predators and diseases can still take their toll. This jellyfish embodies the ultimate survival strategy. It's a true marvel of nature, reminding us that life can be more resilient than we ever imagined.